zu meinem Livestream WWE2K18. Ich freue mich, dass ihr mal dabei seid. So, was noch ein bisschen Darstellung habe ich ein bisschen geändert. Da habe ich auch gut gehört. So. So, fängt man auch gleich an. So, und ich habe etwas Kleines vorbereitet. Für heute Abend. Für den Stream. Bei Universum habe ich ein kleines Event erstellt. Da ich das letzte, die eine oder andere guckt ja, BW Live, schon mal viel geholt, das Event nur zu stellen. Aber im Spiel. Fängt man direkt an, BW Universum. Weiter. So, und ich habe noch etwas Kleines viel präpariert. Ein Hell in a Cell habe ich vorbereitet. Schon beginnen. Du siehst auch Matcher kurz, die ich erstellt habe. Du war nicht dabei. Das. Ob es verschossen habe. Aber warte schon, das kurz. Das ist egal. Muss man einfach so laufen. Ich simuliere das. I'll go. Hell in a Cell. Das ist es. Letzte Pay-Per-View. Das war Hell in a Cell und dem haben wir heute nur. Schon extra Matcher nur gemacht. Vom Hell in a Cell. Und wie gesagt, von absolut kommentieren. Dann können wir ganz gerne machen. Das ist einfach ganz bestimmt.
Things are fixing to get diabolical. Welcome to Hell in a Cell. And one of the most incredible venues in sports. We're coming to you live from Santa Clara.
Herzlich willkommen, danke auch, die neu die rausgekommen sind. Ich will heute Hell in a Cell, der Pay-Per-View von den Leslo war, der habe ich noch nur. Ich will ein Match all nur haben, genauso wie sie waren. Ich fängt man direkt mit mich ein Match Wendy auf und geht in die Japan.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few short moments, we will witness hell on earth, and it won't be pretty. I can tell you that. It'll be Randy Orton taking on Jeff Hardy.
These fans are all revved up for this Hell in a Cell match, and I don't blame them.
So, und geht direkt los.
This is it, fellas. We're ready to get this thing started.
And I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
Randy Orton Orton has found an answer here. What, in your opinion, should Jeff Hardy do here? So tell us, oh, wise one, what's he got to do to win here tonight?
Here's somebody who's willing to do just about anything to get to the top, and that's the way it should be here in WWE.
Just making his presence felt there. Ain't no stopping him now. Takes him down.
Wenn die halt direkt mal Kontrolle. Am Match für der Viper, wie er genannt wird.
Nice job by Randy Orton there.
Boah, den Jeff Hardy ist schon ziemlich am roten Bereich. Schon orange-rot. Okay.
Jeff Hardy came up big in that exchange.
Big time slam right there. Whoops, that missed. That's putting it mildly, Cole.
Aber hier, weil sein Comeback.
And Jeff Hardy's intentions are very clear now. He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in. Down he goes. That'll do it every time. Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when you're down.
Counter here. The quick reversal there by Randy Orton. No question about who's winning this one.
Man kann schon den AKO.
He got him there.
Just look at this, Cole. Wow.
Boy, Randy Orton never stops.
Das ist natürlich noch drüber. Mal sagen, ein bisschen spannend.
Randy Orton making
Nein,
his
nicht
way
drauf.
up the ropes.
Ist der Ruf.
He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes.
Nee, so wollen sie spielen. Du mal was gucken. So, ich spiele.
He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes. He's taken to the outside, and you can tell he has evil intentions in those eyes.
Ah, ja.
Pretty lopsided affair here, Corey.
Total annihilation.
Look, Jeff Hardy is on the attack now. Looks like Randy Orton has broken a sweat. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
If this is the only damage he walks away from this match with, Cole, he should consider himself very lucky. But let's face it, that's just not going to happen. Not when you're inside the cell.
Yeah, but don't forget, he's looked great up until now, guys. You can't deny that. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's not going to go quietly.
Nee.
Superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh, he's able to reverse it. He got him there. Just look at this, Cole. Wow. And here's Randy Orton showing why he's a master manipulator.
Nicht wohl an sich Stuhl holen, ne? Sie geht das nicht.
Now leaving the ring for the comfort of that chain link hell.
Hallo Klobbit. Kick top.
He lands the chair again. He's borderline barbaric tonight, guys.
Die TI.
And here comes Orton. Randy Orton feeling good about himself right now. This could be it for him, guys.
Yeah, he's on Dream Street.
The legend
and
killer.
Randy Orton delivers the patented Orton stomp. That's what he was looking for, Michael. Jeff Hardy is in a real bad spot. I don't know, guys. I really thought we would have seen the finisher already.
Keine Bock. Du wirst auch bei den Boggers also Fehler am Spiel, ne? Also du definitiv noch hin, so du wäschst du. Guck, das ist nicht normal.
for it a second time. A surprise reversal from Jeff Hardy. And here comes Orton. Nice job by Randy Orton there. Randy Orton has found an answer here. Nice job by Randy Orton there.
Da könnte ein Chain DDT, den ich so gern gesehen. Auf den Stuhl direkt. War doch nicht. So haben es alle.
Randy Orton playing it up, but I'm not sure it's the right time or place.
Randy Orton came out of nowhere.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Also Stamp, den gemischt mit mir. Na, da muss ich so Pumpkick. Nur gemacht wird.
Total destruction right from the opening bell.
Komm, Jeff, komm.
A second time. An RKO.
This one is over.
And this has got
Ja,
to
das
be.
war es dann, ne?
He did it. He conquered this demonic structure.
Der Viper hat gewonnen. Wer am ersten auch, wollte noch heute gewonnen. Ja, da waren die Orten nicht direkt nur von mit Druck gemacht, jetzt direkt nicht auf viel Zufall besucht. Mit direkt klar machen, wie halt zu und bringen wird. Sehr nett, das schön.
Here is your winner. He is the Apex Predator, the Viper, Randy Orton.
And that's a win
So,
to start off the night.
next match.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will
Up next is the long-awaited championship
So, next match,
We have
SmackDown Women's
Charlotte
Championship.
versus Becky Lynch.
Becky Lynch
Nothing
gegen
like
Charlotte.
a championship match.
So, geht auch direkt los heute.
All right, it's time to kick this thing off.
And many people are predicting a new champion being crowned here tonight. That seems a bit premature to me, though.
Look at her. She's got nerves of steel. Despite the title being on the line, she looks as poised as ever.
I'm not so sure this Santa Clara crowd realizes what they're about to see with this matchup here tonight. What's your take on the champ?
Actually, let's talk about both competitors. They clearly know the magnitude of this match, and both came into this match in tremendous condition.
Right about now, she's wondering if being a champion is all it's cracked up to be. Tough matchup.
Becky Lynch und Charlotte sind auch wirklich geht ja man nicht befreundet. Sie sind auch wenig gewogen. In diesem Match ging kein Freund.
Looks like she wants to beat her inside the ring.
Ui.
Becky Lynch with good timing there. Putting all that power to good use. The champ's absorbing some offense here. She's not going to let her title slip away that easily, though.
But it's still early here, guys. It's going to take a whole heck of a lot more than this to keep her down.
Becky Lynch with good timing there. That's like watching someone being manhandled. What force!
Komm, Charlotte.
Back inside the ring now.
Schön, nice. Schön ran.
Becky Lynch
Schön ran
with the
gesuplex von
offense.
Becky Lynch. Das war schön. Richtig nice. Und ich den Suplex Hand drin. Auch flott. Becky Charlotte kann ausweichen. Nix da.
There it is, the Bexploder.
Gebexploder.
Crowds on the edge of their seats.
I think Becky Lynch just secured this match.
Charlotte with a nice reversal.
Das war ich also ich mal da Kind noch raschen, weil das vielleicht Kind flucken.
That's not what she had planned.
Well, if it was, she better rethink her plans.
The Irish last kicker telling her opponents how she really feels.
Was kann noch rauskommen? Okay. Okay, cool.
Becky is showing
Ach,
her
besser.
stuff right now, big time.
Komm, Charles, komm.
Now we have Becky Lynch on the attack.
Ah ne, sie entzielt dich nur die 6. Ich muss raus sein.
She's playing with fire here.
Yeah, she's got to
Und
hurry
da
up
schon
and
noch
get back in there.
ausgezielt gehen.
Here she goes, back in the ring now. That acrobatic maneuver
Schön,
clearly
DT.
caught her
Die
off
war
guard.
schön.
Becky is showing her stuff right now, big time.
Charlotte with a nice reversal.
Oh ne, Becky Lynch kann
The
blocken.
reversal by Becky Lynch. The champ looking
Hat gemeint, wie das
absolutely
Surfboard
defeated
gegen
right
Surf.
now.
Ihn
At this
voran
point, this is
gesehen.
not where she wants to be if she wants to retain the title.
I would never question her toughness, but at this point, I just don't see how she can win this match. She's simply taken too much offense.
Well, the good news for her is that it appears it's gonna be over shortly.
Wait a minute.
Now we have Becky Lynch on the attack.
Ah ne. Geblockt.
Look at this.
When she gets in attack mode, look out. Oh, the reversal by Becky Lynch. And she turns it around on her. Oh, the reversal by Becky Lynch.
Nee.
Charlotte with a nice reversal. Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
Kann ich irgendwie blocken.
kidding.
Hat's
Who
auch
knows
nicht
what'll
mehr.
happen next?
Ich kann den nicht machen. Ich kann es auch nur gucken. Weil die sieht an, ist ein orange, der lebt da. Lohne schon, gleich lohne schon mit Block.
Becky Lynch may be slowing some here. With the championship on the line, she'll have to find a way to fire back.
Pump the brakes a bit, Cole. I know exactly what you're thinking, and I can tell you with all certainty, she still has plenty of gas left in the tank.
This could be trouble, guys. This may very well be the Exploder suplex. Wow, she's fought her way all the way back here. This got it cinched in, the disarmer. Charlotte is in trouble.
Ah nee, ich guck nicht durch.
Amazingly, she works her way free.
Cole, there may be no beating her here tonight.
Byron, can she even get back to her feet?
More importantly, does she even know where she
Oh,
is
nee.
right now?
Kann blocken.
And now she's on the offensive.
We'll see how long she can keep it up.
The champ to the top turnbuckle.
Komm schon. Ah, schön, schön. Ah, komm, blocken.
Look at this. She's taking matters into her own hands. This is going to be big, one way or another.
Ich konnte die Chance nicht nutzen, für die Aufgabe zu zwingen. Okay.
Right in the middle of her stomach. Becky Lynch with the offense.
Ich falle kaum blocken, das ist hartnäckig.
What does Becky Lynch have to do at this point to stay in the match? But can she turn things around? She's got the shoulders down.
Ich kann da auch nach rauskommen. Hey, wow, wieder zwischen.
That shot landed on her and was a direct hit. And she heads to the floor.
Probably looking to take a few deep breaths. Think about her next move.
Ich muss ein bisschen erholen. Die sieht an, da ist lila. Muss bis oben gefüllt sein, ungefähr. Also man kann Aktionen machen.
I think we're at the point in this match where the finisher could be used at any moment here.
Mich ganz der Pop nur. Ein Ginbreaker. Direkt haben drin. Der Pop hier auch gewickt Flair. Ich bin der bekanntsten, also zu seiner Zeit. 80 Nonscher, da war ich ganz mal dabei. Herzlich willkommen den zweiten an Spielkater. Von der Belebt kommentieren. Wir können das ganz gerne machen. Ich kommentiere, sobald ich kann. So ein Problem mit Blicken einfach. Allez. Komm, Becky. Mach es.
He's got it cinched in to disarm her. Charlotte is in trouble.
Komm schon.
Nee. The lesson to learn here, Cole, is that you can never count her out.
Right in the middle of her stomach.
Charlotte kaum blocken.
Oh, the reversal by Becky Lynch.
Komm, nein, kaum drin, komm. Alle Becky, mach es.
He's got it cinched in to disarm her. I bet you feel foolish riding her off now.
Remind me, how many times have we seen that tonight? I lost track.
Ja, toll gewonnen. Hier top. Ja, richtig knapp. Aber genau, wir haben wirklich nur gewonnen. Aber schwerer Match. Charlotte hat man nicht einfach gemacht. Das hat man nicht einfach gemacht, Charlotte, das muss ich sagen. Das hat allem dagegen gekämpft. Schaut nicht einfach. Ich finde gepackt. Becky den Schuld gepackt. Ich freue mich gerade, weil das hat wirklich gut aufgepackt. Ich würde das Musik nicht konzentrieren, dass es wirklich wird, weil ich könnte im Ganzen eigentlich speziell so gucken wir reden nur ich heute mach speziell die Matches. Das können wir. So, die nächsten Matches.
Stay tuned because up next is the championship match.
Women's
Championship
versus
Team Dean Ambrose.
Okay.
This is for all the marbles. Here we go.
So, da was etwas schief gelaufen. Women's Championship Tag Team Match, okay. Da was etwas schief gelaufen. Es kommen noch Spezialmatcher. Hell in a Cell ist noch gesagt.
We're ready to go, folks. Time to get this one started.
The only thing that would make this match more enjoyable to watch would be if I was calling it without you two bozos interrupting me.
Direkt wieder die Potte geküsst.
I think we've got a moment here, and for Dean Ambrose, what can you tell us? What kind of attack, what kind of tactics are going to help him here tonight?
There's not a human being on this planet that can predict what Dean Ambrose is going to do next. He's not not called the lunatic fringe for nothing.
Dean Ambrose is a force within the ring.
The lunatic fringe is one of the toughest, most unpredictable superstars in sports entertainment today. Maybe even ever. Ambrose will do whatever is necessary to pick up the win.
Aber es ist eine Waffe gesteuert.
Inside the ring now. Ziggler may be
An der
in
Lunatic
trouble here.
Fringe
This
dreht
tag
durch
team
ein
match can
bisschen.
get out of hand quickly if he
Wo
doesn't
schlecht
mount
wird.
offense soon.
It's decision time, Cole. Does he try to get back on the offensive himself, or does
Du
he
könntest
attempt
der
to make a tag
WWE
here?
2K18 raus. Ich will mich auch erst so am Stream zu gesehen.
And you can bet he envisioned things going much
Bin ich natürlich auch
differently
mal
for
Stream
him
am Start.
heading into this match.
Bodyslam wird Corner, was nicht denn? Dolph, ja.
Look at this.
Ui,
Ziggler
der
doing some
Backbreaker.
good work here.
Den wird bestimmt wegen.
He knows he's in trouble.
I don't think he should get up.
Ah, ich wollte, weil kann ich den anderen Gegner auch steuern und dem den heute direkt.
Well, this
Und du gesagt, na, ich bin einfach ran. Probier ranzugehen, du hast gesagt, der Ringrichter, der geht direkt dazwischen. Wir haben zur Information. Schön DDT. Nice. Ah, die Blocken aber. Ja, wie sieht das? Hallo, bin ich dazwischen. Kann ich ein bisschen gegenseitig verhelfen.
He's clearly in a bad way right now.
Ja, Tom richtig was am Wrestling. So. Tag, den muss ich nicht machen, ne, für das Club. Komm. Ah, No-Tag, los, No-Tag.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Mir wieke, dass ich kämpfe mit den zwei obersten Hot-Tag so nicht gegangen. Wenn du CPU auswählst, hat der Matchspieler CPU aus, da wird ein Hot-Tag gegangen. Ich will aber mit den zwei spielen.
Oh yeah, here's Seth Rollins.
Ich will drehen ab.
Seth Rollins knows how to polish off an opponent. Man, Seth Rollins, what offense! Looking to catch him off guard. Wow, knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
Look out. That'll slow Drew McIntyre down. Gets to the ropes,
Ah,
forcing the
full
break.
break, sure.
Michael, I have to question the decision to go for a submission so close to the ropes.
He's pressing all the right buttons now.
Drew McIntyre gets out of the way.
Ah, du McIntyre kann blocken. Und dann Boston Crab.
Oh, on his stomach. Boston Crab. Boston
Komm schon,
Crab
alles,
locked
alles.
in. Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
Sag uns, kann blocken.
Needs to make it to the corner
Nee,
here.
nee.
There it is. The tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Ich muss den Hörner nur singen,
That one
Hot-Tag
misses
denken da.
big time.
Nee,
Better luck next time.
kann echt nicht machen.
He connects. There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
So,
Not
die
where he wants to be right
die
now.
Nambos probieren sich
Yeah,
ranzunehmen,
you're not
geht
going to win
nicht.
many matches when you're down.
Ziggler is unstoppable when he's feeling it like this.
Kann ich auch ein bisschen ein Problem haben. Ah, Mann, oh Mann, wie sind die Brüchen da noch so? Mein Lieber, ich kann nicht machen.
He needs to capitalize on it now.
One Ziggler gets the cover.
Oh,
Ain't no stopping him now.
And now Dolph Ziggler is pushing
Kommt
forward.
schon ein Problem,
He has
also.
him right where he wants him.
Now Dolph
Nee.
Ziggler is starting to take control.
Ah, Zigzag und das geht immer schlimmer, ich kann nicht mehr machen.
He can do it here.
Ah,
And Byron, he's still down after that one.
greifen.
Yeah, that did some big time damage. Michael.
Counters that one. Seth Rollins knows how to polish off an opponent.
Michel. Hij pakkelbond van Seth Rollins. Yes. Komt schon.
No doubt about that one. Oh man, Dolph Ziggler really needs to dig down deep.
He's looking at it.
Ja, okay.
What a knee strike from the Kingslayer.
Come on, referee pin.
And he goes for the pin. Oh, and he's still down, Byron.
Things definitely aren't looking very good for him right now.
Zeroing in on the neck.
Ze gucken naar eerst, ze gaat ze door storen naar. Nee, kom, whip in. Andere, kom ran. Kom, Seth. Nee.
With the reversal. Dean Ambrose
Steeds niet zo aan. Ah, ja, ja. Zo merkt hij grijpt me zo om. Maar het is ook kunnen op zitten. Nee, 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 nee. Niks daar. Stop blokken.
He's not getting up.
You can't like his chances right now.
Drew McIntyre uitschalten hij. Yes.
He's taking a long time to get up,
Ja, dat
guys.
was den officiële ding.
Playing a little possum here, Cole.
Doe je iets, kom, allee. Kom, referee.
Now he's got
Achting Abel. Doe je job. Kom. Ja, het was terug aan.
This one is over.
Geht doch. War die Match da tun. Was ist denn hier gegangen?
Here are your winners, Dean Ambrose and Seth Rollins.
Okay.
Dean Ambrose helps lead the
Den
team to
Titel
victory.
haben wir gewonnen.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest being pinned is
Das hat
humiliating.
der Women's
Wow,
Champion
now
Titel.
that match was a treat. Thank you
Das ist ein
everybody
Shit.
for
Ja,
joining
naja,
us
egal.
on
Kommen wir
this
nächsten Match.
Halloween evening.
Und wir wollen den dritten noch.
The wait is over. This
So,
one's for
hallo mal.
all the marbles, and it's coming up
Hi,
next.
ein bisschen
We
einen
have
Fan an mich
Sasha Banks
durchholen.
against
Am Main
Alexa
Event war
Bliss.
es ja an der Match für
Finally
People
here.
Alexa Bliss gegen Ronda Rousey. Mit Ronda Rousey ist noch nicht dabei, wenn es im Spiel da wenn nicht am Platz Sasha Banks Goal. Also. So, und geht direkt los.
No one's backing down here. What an impasse. Man, what a move. Unbelievable power.
Zu kommentieren, da kann das ganz gerne machen. Ne? Also, zum
For the
Beispiel,
benefit of our newer audience members, what
nicht
can they expect
gefällt
to see
oder
from this
so,
woman?
oder
With the international
zu mir
title on the
Vorschlag
line, these
für
two
ein
women
Match
are not
noch
gonna
oder
hold
so.
anything back.
Speziell die Match
Let's sit
also
back and
geschrieben,
enjoy
dass
the
manche
show.
noch, die kommen noch, können
One
an
thing I
Hell
can
in
say
Cell.
about her is if she does get beat, it won't be because of a lack of
Oder sonst, da
preparation
steht als
or effort.
Umwirkungen. Es sind immer viel Kritik open. So, Whipping.
And there's a dangerous knee.
Schönen Knee, Striker. An den Bulldog direkt von
Alexa
drinnen.
Bliss looking
Von
stymied.
Sasha.
But this certainly isn't something she can't come back from.
You know, she's the kind of competitor that actually likes getting hit. It motivates her. And
Very
this might
nice.
just be what she needs to put her over the top, believe it or not.
Ein Kick an der Reck. Ui.
Sasha Banks using her speed right there. Besides being illegal, this move is highly dangerous. If the eyes roll to the back of the head, that could be it.
Sasha Banks got her there.
Swigging. Neckbreaker von Sasha Banks.
Some good technique right there. Well, it's not really my thing, but the crowd is loving Sasha's act.
Ooh.
Oh no, she's in a bad way now.
Kann Gott sei Dank blocken.
From Sasha Banks. Back now inside the ring.
Nach ein Baseball-Kick.
Just a vicious bulldog. Sasha Banks is scaling the ropes.
See.
I love it when Sasha starts playing with people.
Ah, Wrexham, 7-4. Wie geht das?
Look at this. The boss is giving some
Du hast
serious
gestern
orders
am
right now.
Treff. Du mich gefreut, dass du zu gesehen.
More than anything else.
Ah, und du bist am Stream, das gefällt mir.
She got her with a reversal.
Ja, und
And there's the
Powerbomb.
reversal from Sasha Banks.
Direkt nach weiter drücken. Aber Alexa, wie ist gerade blocken? Reversal. On an success
And finding
quest
herself
from
in some trouble here is
Sasha
Alexa
Banks.
Bliss. I'm not so sure
Okay,
she
so-
even knows where she is at this point.
I don't think I've ever seen her absorb this much punishment, Cole. If she could
Wow,
somehow
no,
pull
kommt
this
Alexa
one
Bliss
off,
in
it
Problem,
would be
is that-
nothing short of amazing.
Give her credit though, guys. She may be on the wrong end of this battle right now, but she is showing absolutely no signs of giving up.
Top. An den Hura kann ran
Pure
von
artistry by her
Sasha
and the
Banks.
Hurricane Rana.
Schnell Rob op 10. Müssen weiter nach mir setzen.
Incoming.
Komm. Nimm eine Dophauen halt. Ah, yes. Oder kannst du noch Aufgabe
Into the
machen?
ropes,
Ah, der
forcing the
Walkbreak.
break.
Hat ich nicht gesehen.
Michael, I have to question the decision to go
schlimm,
for a
weiter.
submission so close to the ropes.
Komm, Sascha, Sascha. Du musst dann Move nicht, okay. Weiter. Nee.
Sasha
Wow,
Banks not
okay.
looking good here. She's in there with some stiff
Der war gut
competition
gemacht,
tonight.
nee. Da
Pump
muss
the
ich sagen.
brakes a bit, Cole. I know exactly what you're thinking, and I can tell you with all certainty, she still has plenty of gas left in the tank.
Oi.
It should be noted though, guys, that her opponent
Ich
is
habe
still
noch
in far
Akrobatik
worse
heute
shape
gesehen.
than she is right now.
Mein Lieber, Entschuldigung. Oh, da geht aber dick halt hier. Muss ich aber aufpassen halt.
She shows
Nee,
signs
nee,
of
nee.
life.
She's showing a lot more than that.
The boss is giving some serious
Shame.
orders right now.
And there's the reversal from Sasha
Back
Banks.
statement.
This should do it right there. Here comes
Nee.
Sasha Banks.
Dus dat ging 5 doorgaan. 5 door. Probeer maar naken, dat vind ik een move te maken. Ik heb dat keer opbrekend.
Good job getting to the ropes there.
Zie je
Yeah,
beter
that
met
could have
hem
been
op.
bad.
Schat gezien.
Not going to win many matches with that move. And it's Alexa Bliss with the reversal.
Ah, kom zo. Irgendwie noch durchziehen.
She just slapped the taste out of her mouth. She clearly liked the results from the first time she delivered. This could do
Duft
it.
doch einfach op, Alexa, please. Machen wir Sachen, die vorher. Baseball Slider, komm.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
Noch ist
Sasha
ja
Banks is making her presence
Swing
known.
Neckbreaker. So, hallo, probier mal Eisen.
She wants it one more time.
Nein, Gott sei Dank. Ah, hier komm. Bankrupt. Pardon, hat sich reagiert. Aber ein. Arm geht durch.
The pinfall and the victory.
Sasha Banks hat gewonnen. Yes. Der Boss hat gewonnen. Sei Spitznamen, der Boss. The Bankrupt hat Match entschieden. Und das Women's Champion.
New Raw Women's Champion, Sasha Banks.
Tipptopp hat er gewonnen. Und machen wir direkt weiter. Nächstes Match.
Up next is the long-awaited championship match. It'll be AJ Styles versus Samoa Joe.
Title matches are what the WWE is all
Geht
about.
viel. Also wie sich Samoa Joe dran guckt, der meint die ist fähig gesehen. Los geht es auch in diesem Match.
And these superstars look more than ready to get going here.
Aside from Saxton's commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match.
I'm not so sure this Santa Clara crowd realizes what they're about to see with this matchup here tonight. Wow, that was incredible.
Double drop kick. Or double knee drop kick.
That shot hit the opponent exactly in the right spot. What accuracy.
Whipping, good Tipptopp.
As the action continues, let's discuss Samoa Joe briefly. So tell us, oh, wise one, what's he got to do to win here tonight?
Just watching Samoa Joe deliver his patented kicks makes my body hurt. I know exactly how his opposition feels right now.
Well, some superstars thrive in this big spotlight and some won't. We'll see which one he is real soon here.
Samoa Joe looking a little startled right now. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
I wouldn't call for the medics just yet, Cole. He still appears to be in pretty good shape here.
I think a lot of people right now are scratching their heads wondering how he let this match get so out of hand.
Direkt schönen Elbow drop haben drin. Okay. Zurück.
Look out.
Schön. Top.
Unleashing it for the second time now.
So blockt.
And he looks helpless after that enziguri.
Wir wissen mal, wieso Major Star so bewegt ist. Haben wir alle.
Oh man, what a hit.
Schön.
Knocked right off the apron.
Schön. Wirklich ein schöner Move. Und geht weiter.
Samoa Joe is definitely starting to wane. I'd say he's starting to feel the
pressure.
He has to be disappointed in this performance. He really is so much better than what he's shown so far tonight.
Suicida.
Der war schön, der war richtig nice. Über C gesprungen. Und die Chance für den Samoa Joe.
And AJ Styles is showing him how they do it back home in Georgia.
Von AJ Styles. Fest nach Südkans.
Back in from the floor.
Schön.
He's displaying classic offense here.
Wow, eine schöne Moonsault. Aus dem Ring auf den AJ Styles. Tipptopp. Einer für das Ding. Ah, da kommt noch mal. Okay, ich weiß nicht.
No, he reverses it.
He is a one-man gang in there.
Schön. Eine schöne Suplex. Back Suplex von AJ Styles. Whipping von Samoa Joe. Schon drin, ich glaube schon. Wie sagen von Disqualifikation gehen. Hat eine Chance.
For some competitors, part of their strategy is to demean their opponent. A move like that says it all.
If I was Joe, I'd stick to performing and stop the showboat.
Samoa Joe ein bisschen Kontrolle überholen.
Looks like Samoa Joe is taking the upper hand.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body of his. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
The good news for him is that his opponent's offense is likely packing a little less of a punch, considering all the damage he was able to inflict earlier in this match.
Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when
Kom
you're down.
fans, kom, not.
I think AJ Styles is done
AJ
playing.
Styles braucht auch Hilfe.
He's looking shaky. This could be the end.
He's lining him up.
Schön.
Forearm on the mark.
Ah, der war schön, der war wirklich beautiful schön, wirklich flott. Ich wollte ihn zu pinnen, das haben wir so. Vielleicht geht er aber durch.
Can his opponent kick out?
Ja, und geht
This
durch.
singles match has come to an end.
Yes.
Wow.
Ja, natürlich auch anstrengend gegen den Samoa Joe. Is a flying elbow with the Samoa Joe ausgenockt.
Here is your winner, and
And the
the
boys
new
do the champion.
WWE champion, the phenomenal AJ Styles.
Big win here.
Gaat die match,
to
Anne
start the
weiter.
show.
And you just know the rest of the card is...
Wat wordt er los in match?
The wait is over. This one's for all the marbles, and it's coming up next. We have Roman Reigns against
Zo,
Braun
lo,
Strowman.
de WWE Universal Championship
What
match.
we've all been waiting for.
Dat gaat interessant.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And guys, we have an incredibly enthusiastic crowd in Santa Clara for this one. Hits with the clothesline.
Kijk maar raus, man. Monster of a man.
Look at Roman Reigns here.
Je hebt me zo op direct
So
zijn.
tell us, oh, Rise One, what's he going to do here tonight?
You can bet there have been
Son.
many sleepless nights thinking about being in a match of this magnitude.
Schön.
There's no
On
question
in
tonight
schöne
is a big
clothesline.
night for him. And
Der
he
war
knows
richtig
it.
nice. Wann even von eerst gleich weißt, wie auch das Spiel spielt, an du weißt, wie ihn rauskommt aus dem Hell in Cell, da kann man vielleicht wundern, weil ich weiß mittlerweile nicht mehr, wie es geht. Ich noch aber gerne probieren, das rauszufinden. Und auch wieso man nicht rausfindet. Egal, nehmen wir weiter. Schön. Leute, mal von der Seite.
He wants no part of the
So,
outside.
daran.
Don't think a dominating takedown like that doesn't stay in the back of an opponent's
Der
mind.
Roman Reigns. Sind auch so verwandt mit The Rock. Ich hatte den The Rock, den Dwayne Johnson, den kennt ihr vielleicht aus den ganz bekannten Schauspieler an den USA.
Unleashing it
Und hier war ja auch
second
Catcher.
time now. Roman Reigns will continue to
An
fight no matter what the odds,
Roman
no matter what
Reigns,
the
den,
environment.
der ganz
Everyone
schwarz
knows,
gekleidet
but
ist.
the leader of the Roman Empire is
Den
capable
ist
of
bestimmt
inside
verwandt.
the ring.
Und,
Fear is not in Roman Reigns'
wie gesagt,
vocabulary.
das ist auch ein bisschen
The
der Gen
power, the
natürlich. Ne,
agility, and the
den,
determination of the big dog means when he's in a
Weil-
match, it's only a matter of time
das ist eben die
before he assumes
Generation.
control.
Sein Papa der war ja auch, der Rock, sein Papa war ja auch am Ring ganz erfolgreich. Rock Johnson. Und ihren, warte, Rocky Johnson. Kann auch sich gradieren. Das ist schon ziemlich lang hier, weil ich schon den auch nie gesehen Wrestling.
Pin attempt. And Roman
Oder war
Reigns
Jack
gets
Jones?
out
Ich weiß auch nicht mehr. Wann den nicht weiß, kann ich
He's got
drin
him on his
schreiben.
heels and shows no signs of letting up.
So, wir gehen direkt weiter. Okay, schöne Clothesline.
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a
So,
hurry.
ich probiere direkt noch ein
Doesn't
bisschen
show
Druck
any
weiter
signs of getting up
aufzubauen.
here,
Mit dem
guys.
No, he's taking
Und
one heck of
Roman.
Coming.
Steht ein bisschen high.
He's not getting up.
Komm
You
schon.
can't like his chances right now.
Stopp! Braun Strowman. Das ist Zeit high.
You better stay.
Yes! Superman Punch.
It's heating
Ich
up
bin
now.
mal direkt, gleich geht er durch.
Hoping to end it early.
Komm, Referee. Stuhl drop.
No, kick out for Braun Strowman.
Wow, what a display of heart
Okay,
and
then.
determination.
So, lassen wir mal
As
den
we
kleinen
all
Stuhl
know, Hell in a Cell
rausziehen.
matches tend to deteriorate once the competitors leave the confines of the ring.
Alles ist erlaubt, hey. Es ist genauso erlaubt, mit dem Stuhl zu kämpfen, wie auch mit den Händen.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
So,
There may be no
schön.
stopping him.
Ein schön DDT auf den Stuhl, hey. Ach,
Oh,
wo
and
der
he's
Druck, hey.
still down, Byron.
Things definitely
Wir
aren't
müssen
looking
halt
very
immer den
good
richtigen
for him
Moment
right now.
erwischen, halt für den Stuhl zu platzieren an der Ecke. Das ist immer so, muss ich ganz gut so den richtigen Moment aufhören. Ah, da geht. Und klappt.
Look out!
Ah.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Vielleicht eine Chance für zu gewinnen. Alle
His
Weapon.
shoulders are down. Oh man, I thought he had him.
He isn't going to go away that easy.
Here he goes. Superman.
Ach, ist super, Mensch. Bei uns on the win.
Coming back from that one.
And he goes
Komm,
for the
alle.
pin.
Ziel.
And Braun Strowman escapes.
Okay.
Man, that was
Ach, gut,
close.
du.
Yeah, he's not done yet.
He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Close line. Quick close line.
He doesn't appear to be in a hurry to get up here.
I just don't think he has it in him anymore.
So, wenn wir das Spiel zu setzen.
He must there.
This one is
Hier.
over.
Alle, komm.
The pin. Title on the line.
Und das durchgehen.
This singles contest has a victor.
Das Spiel wird den Chillen wird. Schön, Gseinacker. Animation, Replay, pardon. Bisschen.
Here is your
Ja.
winner and
Und
the
du
new
Reigns kannst den Titel
WWE
holen.
Universal Champion Roman.
In der Realität wird ihn doch gepackt und hey, aus dem doch
Kicking
gelungen.
off the night with an impressive victory.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will
Next
someday,
match,
very
gehen wir weiter.
soon, be
We've been waiting a long
Ah,
time
Teil
for
wollten wir
this. The
zwar noch
championship
eigentlich
is up for
machen.
grabs right here. Next, we have Neville against Roman Reigns.
Wir machen nur trotzdem einfach weiter. Versuchen wir dran, machen wir da weiter. Weil ich doch den Titel noch mal dabei. Es geht um den Titel, und zwar um den Intercontinental Championship. Dass man neben die zwei Titel, wann er gewinnt, natürlich. Ich weiß auch nie, Neville kann doch vielleicht einen von den anderen von ich. Nice Spielkater. Merci, Wrexham, 7 für Ning. Merci, das ist ganz fein. So.
The bell rings and Neville, one of the highest flyers in WWE, is on the hunt.
There's no denying that this is a big-time title defense for the champ right now.
Yeah, he may be the underdog here tonight, but that doesn't mean he isn't prepared to give the champion a run for his money.
You can bet there will be no shortage of excitement tonight in this
Neville.
championship match. Not going to win many matches with that move.
Genau, so wirklich die cool Gewicht.
And looking at Roman Reigns, what's
Sie
the
werden aber
story
falsch
for him right
Gewichtsklasse.
now?
Ja,
What do you think we can expect from the
das
champ?
ist ein kein Problem.
Both of these
So,
guys
ja,
can actually
straight
taste
powerbomb
the
from
international championship. But
Roman
when this
Reigns.
thing is over, only one of them is going to be able to make a meal
Nice,
of it.
das ist
Look, I know it's easier said
Slow
than
that
done,
one
but he
down.
just needs to use his ring experience to endure the initial storm to
ein
remain
Powerbomb.
the champion in
Auf
this
Pin,
one.
wo er
And
zu
into a
pinnen
quick
halt.
cover is Roman Reigns.
Ja, man,
And he
natürlich.
kicks out.
He showed up here tonight for a fight.
Schön,
and that's
flott.
exactly what
Aber
we're
weiter.
seeing.
So Kicks.
That's a great
Ja, ist
example
gut,
of
gut,
a
aber weiter.
highly efficient and highly effective strike. What
Komm, Roman
placement.
Reigns.
And there's the power.
Alle
His
Wrap with
shoulders
pin.
are down.
In.
And a kick out, much to
ist nicht gut.
nobody's surprise.
Yeah,
Den
seem to
nehmen
be
aus
just
mir
testing the
10 wie ich
waters a
gebeten.
bit there.
Aber weiter.
The challenger
am
not
Dinger.
looking good right now.
Schön.
The challenger is starting to feel the pressure of this high-profile championship
So,
match.
hallo. Schön, Superman Tom, schön.
Now that's
Weiter.
He can do it here.
Alle Referee.
No, got the shoulder up at the very
Ja,
last
wie ist das
moment.
Fehler gewesen?
I hate to do it, but you got to give the Englishman credit.
So,
He's
vorher
not
mit direkt
looking good
bin.
here, Byron.
No, he's
Dingen
gotta get up,
umzusetzen,
and he's
ist
gotta
hier.
get up now.
Komm, der will. Ja, schön.
Just when you thought
Der
he
Spiel,
had
das
nothing
finde ich
left.
gut. Flott. Pau, der ist so stiegen. So. Probieren wir Nerven auch zu pinnen. Ich hoffe,
He's
geht
going
durch.
for the pin. This could be it.
Ja, und geht durch.
History books
Das Match schon
will have to
aufgehoben.
wait another day.
Sehr top. Ich habe eine Trophäe gehabt, Kontrollfreak. Okay. So, und das war also Hell in a Cell PPV, Pay-Per-View Event. Und das war auch mein Stream von Haut von WWE2K18. Ich hoffe, euch hat das Video gefallen.
Here is your winner, and still
Wenn euch das Video gefallen hat, dann gebe ich mich natürlich über Like freuen oder abonniert meinen Kanal. So, ich merci fürs Nachgucken. Und bis die nächste Kehr. Ade.